nature preserve in the metro parks. There is supposed to be an eagle over here somewhere, over by those cliffs. I was hoping to get him, but I guess that's not happening today. But it is very pretty. So far, the only critters that we're getting is mosquitoes. They're enjoying eating me. But over here are some big trees. I'm sure there's deer and stuff over this way. It's protected areas that they protect. There's a lot of weeds. Looks like big old cornfields, but I think those are, I don't know what they are. If there's deer going through there, I hope they're careful because there's probably deer ticks and everything else over here. But it is a pretty area. But the day's still young. And here's Chong. Then they got a little picnic area in here. And then it comes out to there. And we'll be trying to find another spot. It's very pretty. So far, the only critters that we're getting is mosquitoes. And they're enjoying eating me. But over here are some big trees. I'm sure there's deer. Okay, we did get a horse, and it's a really pretty horse. We got a black beauty. Alright, this is another wildlife preserve. There's a lot of birds, and there's a squirrel that he's eyeballing over here. Chong does not like squirrels. He's okay with ducks, which is amazing, being a black lab and all. But I don't understand his dislike of squirrels. There's a bunch of birds that way. That was really pretty. We're gonna walk this way and try to get away from the squirrel because he wants to be an idiot. Okay, he just wants to keep with the squirrel. Alright, this is the other half of the Nature Wild Preserve. There's a bridge over this way, and then a road there. I was hoping to catch something over here besides his squirrel hunting. But it is really pretty. But I don't see a whole lot going on this way. We did get the birds and the squirrels. There's not as many nasty mosquitoes this way, which I'm really happy about. I did find critters. I'm keeping off the grass because that's what the sign says. These are very pretty. And of course he's over here peeing on a pole. But they're very handsome ducks. Very cute. And they're very, very happy.